So today I'm about to do a cheap makeup look. Look at my face. I got bags, and bags come from stress and lack of sleep. That's all this makeup lasts for 2 minutes. It's some cheap bullshit. You guys, I would not recommend you go to the beauty supply and get no bullshit like this. Don't be like me. So today I'm about to try to do some makeup because I'm not appreciating my face. Period. We're not gonna do this today. It's nice out. I wanna go downtown. I wanna be pretty. This concealer was $2. This cheap makeup only lasts in your face for 2 hours. 2 hours tops. After that, it's sweating, it's dripping, it's greasy, it's oily. You look tacky as hell. You look like a clown. You need to wipe that shit off. Try again. You guys be the judge. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna come out with this cute little brush that I have. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not really sure if I'm doing this right. You guys be the judge and you guys tell me. I'm just trying to get rid of these ugly bags. It was like $9. Beauty Supply foundation. It literally lasts nothing but 30 minutes. You can still see the bags. Okay, so got this, and now we're gonna just now I'm just gonna add foundation driplets all over my face. And this stuff is so cheap. It doesn't really stick to the brush. And rub this thing around this thing like 100 times. This is my temporary look. and it is what it is. This is how it came out to look. Cheap little makeup look. This is how it looks when you're standing up. This is how it looks. So let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you guys later.